Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. I had this Motorola Sonic Boost 210 smart portable wireless speaker. So I want to do the unboxing. So let's look into the details from in front. Okay. Alexa. Other side. Right, on the other side. Alright, behind. Below. On top is nothing. So let's unbox it. Okay, that's behind. Here's the product, the speaker. Charging by USB, mini USB, and then this is the mic, and then aux in for Google. What's that? The Alexa or Siri or Google. If you want to say hey Google or whatever. And here on the side is nothing. Below, right? USB for charging, and then the strap. Quick start guide. Okay. Very long here. General information. there's a warranty and everything. But let's see. Like this voltage. Okay, I'll show before. Yeah, so that's it. If you like the product, if you're interested in the product, I'm gonna leave the link below the video. And I tried this speaker, but okay for quite light or not so loud. But if you're going for the loud, then loud volume, it's not really promising, it's not really that good. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.